Welcome to this new series, Fossil Friday, where I will be featuring a different fossil every week for #Fossil Friday. Starting with a fairly well-known specimen, these are the fighting dinosaurs. Discovered in 1971 in the Gobi Desert during a Polish-Mongolian expedition, the fossil shows a velociraptor and protoceratops fighting literally to the death. The velociraptor has its foot claw up by the other dinosaur's throat, presumably as it was trying to slash it. However, the protoceratops also has its attacker's arm in its beaked mouth, indicating that these animals may have both killed each other, although it is equally possible that they were buried under a collapsing sand dune. This is an extraordinary fossil, giving us an idea of velociraptors' hunting habits and showing us that small ceratopsians like protoceratops were far from defenseless. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for next week's video.